Hello, my name is Bob Bonomo. I'm president of CG Blockchain, a fintech startup based in New York City, focused on bridging the traditional hedge fund industry with the burgeoning cryptocurrency community via our Blockchain Terminal, or BCT. We believe a convergence will occur over the next few years, whereby the new digital currency asset class will be seamlessly incorporated into traditional asset management processes, systems, and portfolios.
The hedge fund industry has entered a new era when it comes to transparency. And that's basically been pushed by institutional investors and the regulators, where they're demanding that the hedge fund industry improve operational controls, deepen their compliance infrastructure, work on their cybersecurity issues, and improve risk management. As a small firm operating in the hedge fund space, we know that we need to maintain institutional quality for our investor base.
The plans that CG Blockchain have are to partner with a very well-known data provider. A data provider that I know in my career I've used for the past 20 years. So if you're able to get that type of data that you already value in terms of building out your earnings model and couple it with a compliance product that's going to give you real-time compliance, I think a lot of hedge funds are going to look at that and say that's a value add.
Using our Blockchain Terminal BCT as an on-ramp, we plan to enable and accelerate this transition by establishing an online storefront for hedge funds and by incentivizing communities of developers to provide one-stop shopping for front, middle, and back office applications and services. In addition, all applications added to BCT automatically benefit from the universal blockchain audit trail and alert routing capabilities of our foundation service, Compliance Guard, hence our name, CG Blockchain.
I think this technology has the ability to level the playing field for smaller managers versus larger managers. And that is because it's cost effective and the fact that it adds an additional layer of security that wasn't there before. So if I put myself in the shoes of an institutional investor that is with a very large brand name hedge fund that's not quite delivering the returns, and I have the alternative to invest with a smaller, more nimble fund that has a great track record and I like the talent on the ground, I think with this additional layer of security where we have all their transactions on a blockchain, I can audit those through a third party. I know exactly what the manager's doing, what I'm getting. I think that gives me enough confidence to be able to invest and reallocate resources to smaller managers, and therefore the playing field would be leveled.
I believe once a hedge fund is exposed to not only what Blockchain Terminal has to offer, but also Compliance Guard, they will see that this is going to be a key piece to their not only investing process, but compliance from both front end to pre-trade all the way through the trading process to post-trade. As I look at Tario, we are a healthcare fund, and compliance is paramount given some of the insider trading activity that we've seen in the past within our industry. And I think this is really going to set us apart as not only an up-and-coming hedge fund, but longer term as we want to be a leader in the industry.
When we're in a pitch meeting with an investor, maybe the second question they ask is who does your compliance? What's your compliance setup? Do you have an officer? Do you outsource it? How do you do it? So we can then say we have Compliance Guard. They nod and feel more comfortable. So it's helped us to raise money.
We brought in a lot of experts to really evaluate Compliance Guard, the technology, Blockchain Terminal, and we believe this is the leading technology.
To have an unalterable audit trail that investors can use to go back as a system of checks and balances with regard to what we're doing, we think will be invaluable to the investor base.
During my 30 years on Wall Street, I've experienced multiple technology innovations, such as the introduction of the PC in the 1980s, the internet wave in the 1990s, and more recently the mobile and social media phenomenon. But in my opinion, all will pale in comparison to the impact of blockchain technology on Wall Street and the global economy. We at CG Blockchain are excited to play a major part in this amazing technical transformation. I welcome any questions you may have to learn more about our strategy, products, and timeline for our planned initial coin offering in 2018. Thank you, and we'll see you on the blockchain.